Hello guys, how are you all? I am Lisa and we will be doing your 2025 reading. It is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. I'm not going to get into, any kind of personal details. We will just pick a few messages from your spirit guides because sometimes we do not want to know about what is going to happen. And just in case if you would want, your personal reading, I will put the details in the description box. You can check. And let's begin. Let's see what do we have for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising. Okay. All right. Wow. Guys, it's going to be a super crazy and amazing year for you. Let me tell you this. It's going to be in Hindi English mix, huh? Super amazing year. Super amazing. All right. So, pehla message that I am receiving for you. So here we have the card of 10 of fire, all right, which is 10 of wands in tarot. One thing is for sure that you might have gone through a lot of burden in 2024. ठीक है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा फील हो ईदर in the beginning of 2025 और in 2024 कि आपने अपने लिए कुछ क्रिएट किया और जब आपने अपने लिए कुछ क्रिएट किया तो वो क्रिएट हो नहीं पाया. Okay, you had to face a lot of challenges, you had to face a lot of burdens, some downfalls also, some failures also. Now it can be in your personal life, it can be in your career, कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. बट कुछ एक ऐसी सिचुएशन हो सकता है आए या आती हुई दिख रही है जहाँ पे यू विल हैव टू रीस्टार्ट योर लाइफ. ओके, एंड दैट इज़ हैपनिंग फॉर अ रीज़न. अब उसके जो पीछे रीज़न है वो ये है सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. जो एक कार्ड एक वर्ड जो मेरे दिमाग में एकदम क्लियरली आया, दैट इज़ सेल्फ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. पहले जो आपने अपने लिए क्रिएट किया था वो बहुत ज़्यादा सरफेस लेवल पे था, ऊपर ऊपर से था. ठीक है, या तो आप लोगों की वैलिडेशन के लिए करते थे, दिखावे के लिए करना, जस्ट टू शो ऑफ और जस्ट टू प्लीज़ योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो और जस्ट टू फिल द वॉइड. यू वर डूइंग थिंग्स जस्ट ऑन surface level. Okay, you were doing things just on face value. Internally there was no satisfaction. Okay, internally even you didn't know what you were doing. Okay, it was just something that वेयर यू कुड मसाज योर ईगो. आपकी ईगो बहुत अच्छे से मसाज हुई है उस चीज़ में. एंड हो सकता है लोगों को वो चीज़ बहुत ग्रीन दिखी हो, हरा भरा दिखाओ, बहुत अमेजिंग दिखाओ, बट यू न्यू द ट्रूथ. ओके, एंड यू स्टिल नो द ट्रूथ कि आपने उस फाउंडेशन को जो क्रिएट किया वो आपने किस इंटेंट के साथ किया, किस बेसिस पे किया. जैसे बहुत सारे जैसे जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स होते हैं, राइट. अब उसमें से कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स होते हैं जो सस्ता माल यूज़ कर लेते हैं लेकिन वो दिखने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वो टूट भी बहुत जल्दी जाता है. एंड देयर आर सर्टेन कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हु यूज़ ऑथेंटिक स्टफ, राइट, और वो बहुत टाइम तक टिकता है. सो that's how, if you can use the example of this, if this helps. Okay, so you are restarting your life. Regeneration is the word that I'm getting here, and for that regeneration to happen you are willing to take all the risk. ठीक है, because this time when you're going to create your life, when you're going to co-create, when you're going to regenerate, you will do it with a lot of wisdom, you will do it with that leadership, you will do it by being fearless, you will do it by being authentic and following what your heart wants. Okay, pehle it was coming more from the society's expectations. Okay, what the society expects, what other people expect. Okay, I would say rather than being a high value man or a high value woman, you were doing certain things जो आजकल का अल्फा मेल और अल्फा फीमेल्स करते हैं. ओके, द फॉल्स अल्फा फीमेल और फॉल्स अल्फा मेल एनर्जी. सो यू आर taking some kind of risk And in order to take the risk, I do sense that you guys might even fly as in probably to another country. It can be another place. It can be leaving your home and doing something individually. So I see you becoming that self-made personality. I see you not taking help or any kind of support from your family. I do feel that you want to become a self-made person. You want to have that individuality. You want to have a reason to applaud yourself. You want to have a reason where you can feel proud of yourself, where you can appreciate yourself. And honestly speaking, I don't think that you guys want validation from others. Deep down in your heart, I don't think you want that. I think you are the people who want to feel satisfied within. ठीक है, आप खुद से सेटिस्फाइड फील करना चाहते हो, आपको दूसरों का नहीं चाहिए. बट जब हमें ये नहीं पता होता हम खुद से कैसे सेटिस्फाइड फील करें, देन वी स्टार्ट सीकिंग फ्रॉम outside, then we start seeking external validation. Okay, but here I also feel that eagle or owl can be your spirit bird this year. So whenever you're going to do something great, or if universe would want to tell you that you are on the right path, you will see either owl or eagle, okay, or a hawk also for some. All right, either in a picture or let's say in real also, कुछ भी हो सकता है. One day I was driving and I was driving in Noida, and जब मैं जा रही थी इतने भरे ट्रैफिक में, out of nowhere there comes a white owl. Okay, एकदम मेरे सामने से गया है white owl. So miracles can happen anywhere, everywhere, at any point of time. So don't use a lot of your logic into कि oh ये कैसे हो सकता है, वो कैसे हो सकता है. Also, I do feel that if you worship Hanuman, Lord Hanuman, it's going to be super amazing for you. Okay, Hanumanji is going to give you a lot of strength, a lot of encouragement to be yourself. Okay, to be in your authentic energy, to be fearless also, and you need that in 2025. Okay, working with orange, that is going to be helpful. Working on your solar and sacral chakra is going to be helpful. Working with carnelian, the crystal carnelian, is going to be helpful. Coming to the next card, which says in the holy space between, which is now. It says, allow me, divine beloved, to rest in that holy space between what is and what will be. Let me fully embrace and relax and bless the now. So you are becoming more now oriented. You're becoming more प्रेजेंट ओरिएंटेड. पहले या तो आप पास्ट में रहते थे या आप बहुत फ्यूचर में रहते थे. ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा, एंड हाफ ऑफ द टाइम्स यू कुडंट टेक certain decisions in your life because of that fear of future. Okay, because of that fear of failure or fear of success or whatever it may be. So now you will be deciding to go one day at a time. All right, you will focus more on the now. Okay, and when you focus more on now, you become more mindful, and when you become mindful, you become more aware, you become more attentive towards your environment, towards your external settings, towards yourself. And I also feel that you will be very close to your breath. Either you will be doing some kind of breath work, okay, or you will be focusing a lot on your breath while you meditate. So breath is something that will teach you how to be in the now. All right, then we have surrender your ego. So like I said that now when you create your life, now when you create whatever you wanted to create, now when you make your manifestation come true, that is when you surrender your ego. Okay, you surrender controlling the time, you surrender controlling yourself. I don't think that you really control people, but even if you do, you will be surrendering that. But most importantly, you will surrender to control yourself. Okay, you will surrender the fact that now I can give myself off to the Lord. Okay, I see you giving yourself, I see you offering yourself to your God, whomsoever you worship, whomsoever you idealize. And it says, cultivate gratitude, be of service to others, come from your heart. A big ego can work against you, but humility will further your goals. 2024 has been a lot about ego. बहुत ज़्यादा ego driven actions मुझे लग रहे हैं. For some it can be spiritual ego, for others it can be normal ego that we have. Okay, but now in 2025 I see you losing all the ego. ओके एंड वो कोई एक ऐसा इवेंट हो सकता है आपकी लाइफ में जो कंप्लीट आपकी ईगो को ख़त्म कर देगा. एंड आपका कहीं ना कहीं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेसन चल भी रहा है टू रिलीज योर ईगो. Okay, now ego for everyone it is very different. For some people think that arrogance is ego, some people think that self-respect is ego, some people think having boundaries is ego, but ego is nothing of that sort. Ego is something when you know if I have to define ego, what ego is, that is simply not following what your heart desires. Okay, ego is ego is something when you know that you should be following your emotions, you should be following your heart's desire, you should be taking an action, you should do this, you should do that, but you do not. Why? Because either you have a fear of others, what other people will say, or you have this fear that ओके शायद से मैं कहीं पे कम हो जाऊंगी या मैं कहीं पे कम हो जाऊंगा. ओके, सो देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट एंड ईगो. सो understand more about ego if you want to work on this. Okay, otherwise universe तो समझा ही देंगे. Next thing that I'm getting is Abundantia, Archangel Abundantia. So you can connect with Archangel Abundantia. Okay, she is the angel of abundance. You can also connect with goddess Lakshmi. Okay, and we have the card of prosperity. So I do feel that you will have a lot of spiritual prosperity also. Okay, it says the universe is pouring its abundance out to you, so be open to receiving. So it's a very clear message that you will be having a lot of prosperity. I see you buying assets. So if you want to buy any kind of asset, any kind of property or anything like that, universe is really going to bless you. It's going to be a super good year for buying properties, buying any kind of asset. I see that you will have a lot of money to save. Okay, I do see that you will be saving a lot of money this year. A lot of money you will be saving. Okay, so saving wala cheez hai. Bank account balance is going to be good. That is something which is there. Universe is also going to make you feel prosperous when it comes to spirituality. You won't feel that you need to do something in spirituality. Kuch bhi need hogi, universe is going to send a sign, universe is going to send you help. So that is also there. You will not feel that you are lacking any kind of support from the universe. Universe is not going to give you any such complaints at all. Okay, the last message that we have is Atman. So like I said that you will be more connected with your breath. जितना breath के साथ connect कर पाओगे उतना ज़्यादा अपने आप के साथ connect कर पाओगे. Okay, अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, जान रहे हो. अपने आप को लेके आपका परसेप्शन बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज होता हुआ दिख रहा है. बहुत सारी सिचुएशंस को लेके आपका परसेप्शन चेंज होगा. यू माइट हैव दैट रियलाइजेशन मोमेंट दैट ओ माई गॉड what was I doing in 2024. Okay, I was doing something really wrong and I need to correct it. And that is when you will have your ego breakdown, and that is when you will come closer to yourself, when you will have that self transformation wala journey where you will be discovering a lot about yourself, a lot about your powers. You only get to experience your unique gifts and your powers when you release ego. Before that, when you are staying in your ego, आप हमेशा अपना potential ही बन के रहते हो. You never ever you will never receive your gifts, you will never know your uniqueness, you will never know your powers, because आपकी higher self आपको बोलती है कि ठीक है, अगर आप इन superficial चीज़ों में खुश हो तो आप इसी में खुश रहो ना, मैं आपको क्यों कुछ extra दूँ. So you understand my point. So that is what I see here. Blue can be an important color for you, okay? And you can also work with your throat chakra if you want to make your communication better with yourself, okay? I also feel that when you do any kind of self dialogue, you can become really hard on yourself. You can also become hard on others. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी आप बहुत ही कड़वी बातें बोल देते हो लोगों को, या बहुत ज़्यादा गलत लेवल पे चले जाते हो व्हेन यू आर एंग्री और व्हेन यू आर इन दैट ईगो या कुछ भी ऐसा, ओके? So you can work with that also, and I think that is it. I hope it helps. Bye bye, take care.